Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go ahead and we will discuss about Gokhale Institute. Now, Gokhale Institute is one of the very famous institutes in Maharashtra, and this goes ahead and this offers course which is called Masters in Economics, and this is one of those institutes which offers MSc in Economics. And because it offers MSc in Economics, what actually happens is that you actually have much better scope of doing PhD from outside India. Why? Because they also offer BSc and MSc in Economics. So this is more preferred. So it's a good part there. Now, Gokhale Institute's a 2-year post-graduation program. And here the subjects that they cover are microeconomics, macroeconomics, public policy. This is nothing but very closely related to public economics. And then you have finance, which is very closely related to money and financial markets. And then you have international trade. Right? And one good part is that they also do software training. So in the past, I know that they have done training on R, Python, SPSS. So they also do good software trainings, which is a very good feature of this program. Now, who is eligible to apply for this program? So in order to seek admission, there are various courses. One is MSc General Economics. The other is financial economics. This is a good course in case you want to deep delve into core financial economics. Then you have agribusiness economics. I don't suggest this much unless you have a deep dive into agriculture and you want to also do PhD. And then you have international business. Again, it's a good course. You can do that. And then you have MSc Population Studies and Health Economics. This has gained in particular importance post COVID-19. So I know a lot of professors are writing good research papers on health economics, and therefore this has gained a lot of importance now. Right now, even if your result is awaited, you are also eligible to apply. What kind of paper will come? The paper will consist of 100 objective questions. Each will have 1 mark. It is a 2-hour paper. It's a computer-based paper. The paper is completely in English. And this is the beautiful part, that there is no negative marking. So excellent for us. Now, let's see the paper pattern of Gokhale Institute. So you have a paper on maths and statistics, which is for 30 marks. Then for here, you can do Hammond, Sedister and Hammond, and you can do DeVore. These are the 2 books I would suggest. You can also do SC Gupta instead of DeVore. Then you have a paper on analytical ability and reasoning. You can refer to any of the books that are available for CAT, MAT, etc. And then you have a paper on economics, which is for 50 marks. Here you have to refer to, for microeconomics, to Varian. For macro, you have to refer to Dornbusch, right? For game theory, very less, same Varian. And then you definitely have to do international trade. And as I told you, you just have to do those 15 chapters that we cover in class. Nothing more, nothing less. Right. And then you have to do public economics also in bits and pieces. Majorly, I suggest you to do a chapter on externalities that we cover at the end of micro. You want to do asymmetric information, and you want to do public goods. Okay. So look here, section A consists of statistics, regression coefficient, and mathematics. Section B is analytical ability, and section C is microeconomics, and then you have macroeconomics, then you have growth models. Sorry, I missed this, very, very important. Solo model, Harrod-Domer model, very important models. Definitely have to be done, right? And then, so, you know, they have covered trade and balance of payment within macro. And then you have to do recent developments in Indian economy and international economic issues, right? So what's the last date to apply for the exam? 6th of June. When is the exam? 19th of June. What is the time of the exam? 1:30 to 3:30. And what is the duration? As I told you, it is 2 hours, right? So, you know, more or less the paper is very easy. I know people getting very, very good rank in Gokhale. And the good part is that, you know, usually you have wait lists which clear as people get admission in different universities. So for example, there is a person who might get into DSC, but currently he or she may take admission in Gokhale. And then later when, you know, they get admission here, they will switch to DSC and there will be a seat vacant here. So, you know, even for the lower ranks, you keep on getting a call letter. So don't worry, it's an easy paper and there are high chances that you will get admission in Gokhale. You just have to go ahead and focus on the course material that we have already covered. Okay, thank you.